Hello guys, welcome back to another Freecad tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to create this spoon using Freecad 1.0. There are many ways you can create this model, such as using curves and surfaces. But since this tutorial for beginners, I'm going to model this part using normal solid modeling technique. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to use parametric part template and I am on part design workbench. Click on create sketch command and pick XZ plane. Click on create arc command and start sketching similar to this. Click on Z axis somewhere here and click on the origin and type 50 and press enter. Right click to exit. Click on the arc and select this offset command. Type 0.5 for offset distance and press enter. Zoom in and select this arc and press the delete key to delete the arc. Click on line command and draw a line like this. I will turn this center arc to construction line by clicking this tool. Construction lines are used for assisting the sketching process without being part of the final design. Now, I'm going to skip adding more dimensions and show you the design process. Close the window. Click on Revolve command and click OK. Click again on create sketch command. Pick XZ plane. Zoom in here and switch to wireframe display style so we can see the edges. Click on this spline tool and start sketching somewhere here. Right-click to finish the line and right-click again to exit the command. Select the line and select on this command to make a copy. Change this to 1 and click somewhere here and move the mouse to place the copied line. Click again to copy the line. Now we will close the profile using the spline again. Right-click to finish the line and right-click again to exit the command. And adjust the shape if you have to. We will do the same again in this side. Let's adjust some points before adding the line. Make the shape similar to this. Click on Spline tool again and create a line like this. Move the points close to the inside edge of the existing solid. Keep adjusting until you are satisfied with the shape. Close the window to finish the sketch. Switch back to shaded view style. Click on Pad command and check Symmetric to Plane option. Click OK. Let's zoom into the bottom. Click on Fillet Command and pick this edge. Type 15 for the radius and press Enter. Let's set small radius to top side. Leave the 1 mm and click OK. Let's look at the model from top view. Click on Create Sketch command. Pick this plane. Switch to wireframe style again. And draw a sketch using spline similar to this. Click on Line command and draw a line to close the profile. Adjust the profile if you have to. Select both line and the spline. And click on this Symmetry tool and pick this axis. Close the window. Switch to shaded style. Click on Pocket tool and check the reversed option and change this to Through All type. Click OK. I'm going to add radius to some edges. Let's look at the model from top view and zoom into this end. Click on Create Sketch command. Pick this plane. Click on Create Arc command. Switch to wireframe style so we can see the edges. Start sketching along x-axis similar to this. Click on Create Polyline command and close the profile. Close the window. Switch to shaded view style. Click on Pocket tool Change this to through all type and check reversed option. Click OK. Switch to isometric view. The model is now completed. Please comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe to my channel so you will not miss my videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon.